55 ingredients for one sandwich. You still hungry? They show you this, but hide everything right behind me.
You thought it was just chicken? Nah, this thing got preservatives, fillers, flavor boosters, a whole chemistry set.
This bun's got more chemicals than you think it does. Bleached, rebuilt, and sugared up.
I bet you didn't know they gotta add anti-foam just to keep this oil from bubbling like a volcano.
I know you're thinking about me. What are you waiting for? I'm right down the street.
Just remember, it ain't 3 ingredients, it's 55!
You're already infected. Brain rot reels.